our way to Ubud.
We're going to Ubud.
So silly.
Yeah, we're on our way to Ubud. I'm excited because I am doing my yoga teacher training. So it should be good. Intense 3 weeks, but I'm looking forward to it.
21 days off, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. finishes, 12-hour days. Can you cope?
Yeah.
Will you cope?
Yeah, I will. I might be tired and a bit groggy, but just bear with me.
Yeah, it should be good though, because for me it's going to be very lonely, I think.
You might
very
enjoy
lonely.
it. Well, you can do all the content for us then.
Yeah, I guess. But yeah, it should be good though. You know, being told is a totally different vibe compared to Canggu. So I'm looking forward to seeing how different it is. Seeing more of the nature side of it as well. So that should be good.
Yeah, and hopefully it's not as busy as Canggu as well, because Canggu is very, very busy. But the journey hasn't taken as long as I expected. People saying, oh, it's so long to get to Ubud from Canggu. It's so long, but it's taken us like an hour, 20 minutes.
And that's in a car as well.
Yeah.
If it was on a motorbike, it would be maybe 40 minutes. So it's not too bad at all. So you can definitely, if you are in Canggu, you can definitely go up and back within, in a short space of time.
Yes, exactly. But we are just on our way to the hotel, which is where I'll do the training. So when we get there, we'll let you know what it looks like.
I'm currently just walking through the rice fields, just following wherever the path takes me. I've been walking for around 20-25 minutes now. I left the hotel, went for a coffee, and just went where the path taking me. So at the moment, we're in the middle of nowhere, but surrounded by lovely rice fields, as you can see. So what I've noticed with the rice fields, a lot of it is brown. Even though there's a lot of green rice fields, still a lot of it is brown. And speaking to some of the locals, I believe now is the time of year where they start harvesting the rice out of the rice fields, if that's the right terminology. I still need to do some more research on how the rice fields actually work, because looking at the rice fields, I can't actually see much rice. But yeah, this week, or the next 3-4 weeks, I should say, I'm going to be exploring Ubud and seeing how different it is compared to Canggu. So yeah, looking forward to seeing, the different lifestyle and culture out here.
This week's been a little bit different because I've been at my yoga teacher training, which has been from like 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So it's quite a long day. Shad's been by himself.
Trying to find things to do.
Yeah, have you been a bit bored?
Kind of. And I've signed up to a gym. That kind of takes like 2.5 hours out of the day.
Yeah.
And plus I've been cracking on some work as well. So hasn't been too bad. But yeah, it's not the Canggu lifestyle, I'll say that.
And you're missing me.
Yeah,
obviously, if he was with me, it would be like much better.
Yeah, obviously.
So yeah, but I've really, really enjoyed my training. It's gone past what I expected it would be like, and I'm just excited for the next 2 weeks and to see what else is going to happen. But currently we're at Zest in Ubud. Apparently it's supposed to be one of the best vegan restaurants in Ubud, so looking forward to the food. The menu looks good, and the venue also is very cool. It's like you can take your shoes off if you want to, and you kind of can like chill, sit down, like
It doesn't actually make sense though, because you take your shoes off if you want to. So some people got their shoes off and some people got their shoes on. So it kind of defeats the whole point.
It should have just been take your shoes off and everyone takes it off.
Exactly.
But hey ho, but I'm here currently sitting, my legs crossed, feeling very zen. And
I'm incapable of doing that right now.
That's why you should come to the yoga.
I'm too good at yoga though, I told you. I've completed it.
Okay. So he says he's like already a yoga master.
So we've got the bike here, it was only 6 minutes. So now I know that's only 6 minutes on the scooter. I'm definitely going to be here a lot more.
Yeah.
Because I thought everywhere was like 15-20 minute journey. So I couldn't really bother to leave the hotel. I was going to one coffee shop and back every day, getting regular coffee.
Expensive coffee as well.
Expensive coffee. So now I know this is local.
And there's loads of other places around here as well.
Yeah, so I'll be visiting here more.
And it probably won't be as boring as you thought. You thought Ubud was just at one road.
It's true. So hopefully this will kind of change my expectations of Ubud so far, because yeah, it's been, well, for my personal experience, it's been nowhere near as exciting and as fun and as busy as Canggu. But I guess I haven't explored and been out enough. So now I know where this little strip is, and there's loads of different things going on. I can come out and about and enjoy. So yeah, let's tuck into the food because I am starving. Good morning, good morning. So today we're actually on our way to ATV riding through the jungle, I believe. I'm super looking forward to it.
Yeah, should be good.
Yeah.
It looks a bit scary at some parts.
Nah, not scary. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. Let's see what our driver thinks. Is it scary? What do you think?
It's challenging.
Oh.
No, I'm looking forward to it. But we're still super full from the food we had yesterday at Zest. That was super nice.
It was really good, really, really good. I enjoyed it, and even the tea was just so nice and different.
The blue tea that you got.
Yeah, the blue tea is really good, and healthy and vegan as well.
Yeah.
So.
But at first I thought, we needed more food, and then
we were stuffed.
I could just about walk after I was so full.
Yeah.
But looking forward to the ATV. Let's see how we get on.
Yeah, we'll try and get as much content as we can.
Yeah. Yeah, it should be good though. Looking forward to it. Yeah. It's powerful as well, I think.
Yeah, we got the powerful bike, but I was like, I don't like the small bike. So, yeah.
Hopefully you can handle it.
Yeah, I've done ATV before.
For a jungle though, was it like smooth?
No, it
surface?
wasn't. It was like a dirt bike kind of situation.
Oh, it should be good though.
Yeah.
Let's go.
To the jungle. The best sock in Bali. Plastic socks. Helmet set. Boots set. Now we can go to the bike.
Currently on our break, halfway through the ATV jungle ride. How'd you find it?
Oh, it was so fun, exciting,
Yeah.
a bit scary. I was like, it's so fun.
It's good because you just get in the middle of a jungle. You don't know where the paths are taking you.
No.
In rivers as well.
Bumps.
Yeah.
And stuff. Our cool driver is guiding us through.
Rambo, that's what you call you, Rambo?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, amazing experience.
Yeah.
This is sick. So next we're going inside this temple run looking cave that you can see behind us.
Oh, you guys made it?
Yeah, we made it.
Oh wow.
The tunnel,
Yeah.
I think,
It's been a long time.
yeah, it's a long time.
Yeah.
I don't know it.
Yeah.
Just we made it.
Oh, so you made that's nice. What's the story behind it?
Good spirit in Bali, like a Siwa.
Oh, the tree god. Nice. Incredible.
Name is Bali, the face, Boma.
Boma. Ah. Very cool. Very nice.
Your vet's quite bad. Turn around. Come closer.
This one,
Oh.
my son tomorrow.
was a leech on me. She didn't believe me.
Yeah, because I asked you, did it hurt to take it off, and is it bleeding? And you said no.
Well, I was in the shower. I thought it was a bit of mud, so I quickly wiped it, but it was still there. So I wiped it again. It was still there. So I thought, oh no, it must be a leech. It wasn't moving. So I had to grab it and pull it. Very slimy. Yeah.
That's
This
really
is why I knew it was a
gross.
leech, but she didn't believe me.
Very gross.
But now
It's
I'm
scary.
getting treated. Hope there's no bad after effects.
Hopefully.
Thank you. And that's what happens. And that's what happens when you're in the jungle, in water and stuff, I guess. So just be careful. So overall experience, rate out of 10.
10 out of 10, I think.
I agree.
It was so fun. Adrenaline. The tour guide, Rambo
He was really good. He was really good. He got so much content for us as well, which is good.
Like he was like doing angles, content, everything, and we went through the waterfall. Just really good
It was
experience.
scary at some points because
Was
you can't really see. You know, you're going through mud and then there's water, then you lose half of the track, and then
you're
there's massive
skidding as
dips.
well.
You're skidding, like drifting. So it was really
was
good, but it's
fun.
really nice because the scenery you get to see,
The
you know,
rice
the rice fields, the waterfalls, as we said. Yeah, great experience, and
Yeah.
the whole venue is kind of bigger than I thought as well.
Yeah, the facilities are really, really good. So they've got like a nice restaurant area. The showers are really clean
Yeah.
and nice. They give you towels, and then you get a meal as well.
Yeah, so
which
meal
is good.
included. You get the shower, which they give you towels. I should have said. We also get if you book it through the company, you get a driver as well, which is good to pick you up and drop you off.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would definitely recommend this place. It's Gosek Adventure.
Gosek Adventure.
Yeah.
We'll put the details below. And also, if you are coming, don't wear anything that you
Yeah.
love because you will get muddy and dirty. So just wear something old. But yeah, we're going to tuck in now.
Yeah, great experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Get to book
Yes.
through Bali Abracadabra tours.
Bali Abracadabra tours.
Bali Abracadabra tour.
Yeah.
We'll put the link below.
Yeah, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and out.